Good morning. It is currently 4 a.m. and we are headed out to Fort Collins. I will explain everything as soon as we get there. I'm going to be putting on my makeup on the drive over there, and I am just so tired right now. I probably look like hell, but good morning. Okay, so I was literally about to head out the door with my water, as you guys saw earlier, but I am so tired that I almost forgot my other pair of shoes. I'm taking a pair of hiking shoes because I do intend on going on like a 29 miles worth trail. I'm totally not doing 29 miles, but I figure like 2-3 miles would be cool. Hey, so right now I just want to update you guys. We are swapping out the cars. So I'm currently in my car, and the light will turn on again. I'm currently in my car and I'm parked directly behind them. So we're just swapping out in the driveway, and yeah, then we'll be on the road. So we ended up going to this restaurant called Lucille's. It had a bunch of Creole and Cajun food. We ordered beignets, and my mom and I split a dish called Hal's Eggs. Plus, we got some sweet potato grits because your girl loves sweet potatoes. Hey guys, so right now, my hat's on crooked. We are basically hiking at, what is that, Horsetooth Mountain? Yeah, Horsetooth Mountain Trail, and it is so beautiful here. And it's in Fort Collins. Yes. Would you like to say anything? No? And it's so beautiful. Oh, I just can't get over all of this. Hey, so we made it, and it's right there.
Tomorrow.
So I'm going to give you all a little bit of backstory. I've been wanting to go to Raising Cane's for a really long time now. This was my chance. I had wanted to go even since before I went to Arizona. So here it is.
It's like it anyway.
Thank you. Ooh, thank you. Oh, yummy. Hey guys, so we are back home from Fort Collins. As you can see, yeah, I just wanted to do a proper outro for this vlog, and thank you all so much for watching. Remember, you're all strong, articulate, independent individuals, and I hope you have a great day. Bye!